dollar. Dirt and money, no soul. Had to go and get it, ain't no time to kick it. Got a stack of flip for my foes. Dollar. Please tell me you can hear me. Don't turn your back and don't neglect me. Just let me know if you need me. Dollar. Let me watch out for my partners. Keep my money long, get my team strong. Let me run away from my problems.
Yo, let's get original.
Okay, well, come on, because I'm about to pass out.
It's your fault. It's your boy DJ Nuki and your girl
Sierra Nicole.
And we're back on the channel with another
Kid and C original.
You said what?
Nothing.
You sound awful. Oh man, I've been trying to tell you that all day. I don't know what it is, but you need to cut it out, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. This is Johnny Depp being a hilarious in court part 6, man. It's the finale for us, man. Have y'all checked out the Amber Heard interview yet? We want to react to it, but we gotta check. We gotta check and make sure we are able to do a reaction to it. If not, I'm gonna just check it. I'm gonna check it out though. You didn't see the part where I think it was on the Shade Room.
No, I ain't see it.
She called the man Scissor Hands or something.
I ain't see it.
I wish I could pull it up. I wish, like, you know what I'm saying, you could really. She called her man. I said, you love. Ain't this what you was in court for? Part of the reason. Oh man, so with that, it was some scissors, man. So with that being said, man, make sure y'all check out the links in the description box
down below.
You already know where to go, man. If you want to first support, all you got to do is check out down below. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. Show us some love and support. We highly appreciate it. But we got another Johnny Depp. Amber Heard in court. You ready? Are you like, why you? My bad. Amber Heard.
I don't care.
She just dropped hers, you know.
Okay, come on.
Dropped them stank hoes. I bet it was. Ooh.
All relatives.
Zip, baby.
Take it easy.
What the fuck you just do? And if I can see him, like water in the pharmacy.
Anyway, Johnny became upset with me for judging him. He was, you know, he said some disgusting things to me. I don't know if I need to repeat it.
Okay, let's go. Michelle, can you bring up Defendant's Exhibit 1090? Don't tell us what the co-star said. Just tell us what your communication was with Mr. Depp.
Objection, hearsay. Her communications are hearsay.
People could invite me to a concert in a platonic way. I tried to say that it was fine.
Objection, hearsay.
Do I have that redaction, or is that something you need to give me?
I think we're going to need to give it to you hard copy.
All right.
Right. Thank you, Your Honor. And if
I found out that he was in a hotel room with Paul
Objection,
Bettany.
hearsay.
move forward.
When he came home, they had to carry him home.
Objection, hearsay.
Did you see that?
You said what?
I'm going to say this hearsay.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. That's one thing for sure I done learned from this case. Hearsay. What falls in the line of hearsay and when to say a motherfucker. Bruh, it's like everything, like from the little clips we just seen, because we haven't watched the whole thing in depth. I ain't finna go back and watch weeks and weeks of just nonsense. But it sounded like a lot of stuff that they were saying was just hearsay that you can't even use in court. They really had no facts.
It's like, yeah, anything you can technically prove or have or show for it is hearsay.
It just seemed like everything she was
hearsay.
So what was the point of even going to hardly even count her. But did she win some meals too, though?
I think it was
Well,
like
like
two, something like that. Yeah, something like that.
If I was John, I'd be like, take that 2 out of my 15. Just give me my 13, bitch. Still up. I'm just saying.
Bruh, I mean,
hey, once I get my 15, you'll get your 2. Or you can take your 2 out of my 15. Which one you want to do, partner? Because anyway, you owe me more than I owe you.
mm-mm.
Then she said she ain't got enough money.
Okay. Did you have any contact with Lily Rose that led to any discussions with Mr. Depp?
Objection leading.
What, if any,
That is.
communications did you have with Lily Rose in November 2013?
Objection calls your hearsay leading.
What, if any, interaction did you have with Lily Rose without saying anything she said?
Objection hearsay.
You can ask it 15 different
Because
ways.
you
and
keep
still-
asking the same question. And just
Because
trying
she's
to-
asking it different ways.
Yeah.
And either way it goes, regardless
It's-
of the way you ask it.
Yeah,
it's
just
still-
move on. Because you trying to find a way you can bring up whoever this Lily Rose is, bring her name up and the interaction into it. But you can't, there's no way y'all can, you know what I'm saying?
I'm here.
If any, interaction did you have with Lily Rose that led to an argument with Mr. Depp?
Objection leading.
Did you have an argument with Mr. Depp relating to Lily Rose in November 2013?
Yes.
Can you please describe that?
Well, I was, and Lily Rose at some point had a crush on a,
Objection hearsay. And lack of foundation.
it went back to being wonderful. There were these moments that just felt so wonderful.
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive.
You employed a woman named Kate James, is that correct?
Objection leading.
And why is that?
She was,
Your Honor, I'm going to object.
I guess actors really gotta have somebody write what they need to say, because without it, the motherfucker be, can't get it out. You know what I'm saying?
Where my script at?
My script, they need the script. Bruh, because the way she up here fumbling them words.
Hearsay
around.
grounds. It's still hearsay.
Your Honor, I'm going to move the admission of Defendant's Exhibit 209. Business records exception.
Still hearsay, Your Honor.
Damn, they fast.
I agree. I think that's the point
If you
that
wanna-
hearsay
if you
can.
He get on my nerves.
He's so goofy self. He look goofy. Is she back here laughing?
What, if any, communications did you have with Kate James about your issues with Mr. Depp?
Objection hearsay.
Your Honor, Ms. James has testified.
I'll sustain the objection.
We can take that down, Michelle.
and I thought it's, I would have forgotten about the extent that we had those conversations early on in the engagement if it hadn't have been for my therapist's notes.
I'm sorry, if it hadn't been for your what?
If it hadn't been for my therapist's notes, which were
Okay.
taken at the time when I was talking to her about this and my conversations with
Objection
John.
hearsay.
Okay.
I'll sustain the
We'll move
objection.
on. Okay.
Came down at the end when we were leaving, and came down once because he was at the time sharing drugs with my dad.
Objection. Speculation. Lack of foundation.
How do you know that he was sharing?
If you ain't got proof, don't put no drug claims on me. If you ain't got no picture of me out here doing crack, don't call me no crackhead. You know what I'm
And
saying?
giving it to your pappy.
So now you can call your daddy. B, you can't put that on your daddy and him.
She said, how do you know that he was sharing drugs with your daddy? Well, with your dad.
Bruh, so basically, man.
Let me see.
With your dad.
I was there. I watched it.
Please continue.
So you partake
My dad actually left with Johnny's security to go get more drugs from
Objection.
West
Calls for
Hollywood.
speculation.
How do you know that?
They told me.
Hearsay.
but you didn't go.
Could you please tell the jury what a Met Gala is and what's involved in that?
Objection. Compound.
He thought I was looking at this woman in a sexual way, and I kind of turned it around on him and said that it's actually
Objection. Hearsay.
It's context, Your Honor. This is context.
Sustain the objection.
Okay. Just say what Mr. Depp said then. I guess you can't tell us what you said to him.
Okay. And
Well, you should know that as a lawyer, she can't say what she said to him. You know what I'm saying? Someone said, well, I guess you can't tell us what you said to him.
I mean, but I guess her thing is I have to at least try.
Well,
Like,
yeah.
you know, they gotta
yeah.
at least try.
At least try to see if they're going to catch it.
Yeah, so I mean.
But you see how quick she is back there on her feet? Yeah, I thought the dude in the chair was worse. He was just objecting to everything. And he was striking out. But
Oh my God.
she went to every objection, bro. Like, damn.
shoves me and kind of grabs me by the collarbone area, like not really my neck, but top of my neck, above my collarbone, below my neck. And I feel this boot in my back.
Boot in your back.
He just kicked me in the back. I fell to the floor. I caught myself on the floor, and I just felt like I was looking at the.
He must spawn her around real quick.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to understand. If he grabbed you by the neck.
Probably grabbed her by the neck and spun her around.
Cause she talking about really about the collarbone, so it's right here. I can't
And
even.
then he did something. And then he spun her around real quick and then kicked her.
She said not the neck, but by the collarbone.
but not the upper neck.
No,
but
no,
up the collarbone.
She said
No, I'm
up
saying
above
when
the collarbone. That ain't even no. I don't
That's
know.
still the neck.
It's possible. It's a possibility. But I'm trying to understand the grabbing.
Well, I guess you, mother, you know, you can do that.
But
But then-
the kicking of the back, how he gets you?
He
Did
spun around.
Did he spin you around? Because I need to know that part too, though. If he spun you around, maybe they cut it out. So maybe he
that's
did
what it
spin
is.
around, and then
Or maybe she got loose or something.
and she said in her back, right?
Yeah.
So
with a
Johnny,
boot.
Johnny,
He had a boot.
he get his leg up there though.
He had
Get leg up there,
Okay.
you know, just kick it. Because most dudes gonna kick you in your ass, not in your back. She said in her back, so you know what I'm saying.
I
told Johnny.
fell to the floor. I caught myself on the floor, and I just felt like I was looking at the floor of the plane felt like a long time. Jury, judge, security, and my friend both kind of under their breath asked me, "Are you okay?"
Objection. Hearsay.
They said what they said.
I spent the rest of the time looking out of the
Sustain the
window,
objection.
and
Objection. Non-responsive.
and if
Calls for
Johnny over there like, hell yeah, I kicked their ass in the back for shit in that damn bed.
I don't know about the part.
He like, hell yeah, I kicked their ass in the back. She should shit in the bed.
speculation.
he would not remember what he had done.
Calls for speculation.
Johnny too cool, bro.
Did you reach out to,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay and bleeding.
and this is a communication between you and Rocky Pennington, your best friend, is that correct?
That's correct.
Objection. Hearsay.
You don't know that's your best friend. They might think otherwise.
Did you text your mother and your father about this incident?
Objection. Hearsay.
What, if any, communication did you have with your mother or your father following this incident?
Objection. Hearsay.
Sustain that objection.
What, if any, communications did you have with Kate James following the Boston plane incident?
Objection. Hearsay.
Your Honor, if we go to 224,
Okay.
I reached out to friends and family, asked for support.
Objection. Hearsay.
Sustained.
Mental condition.
It doesn't. It's still here.
That's the part.
The
Bruh.
part that was going,
Boy,
everybody was saying.
hey, I need y'all thoughts and opinions on
Let me
this.
see it one more time.
Why
before you say
sniffy?
something.
Why you sniffed up?
Well, that's
Court.
Objection. Hearsay.
Sustained.
Mental condition.
It doesn't.
Cause she hit the side of it and everything, bro.
Let me see it one more time.
Girl, how many?
That's the last time.
Mental condition.
See, that ain't no wipe my nose. Don't nobody. That's an inhale.
Well, maybe.
That's an inhale.
I ain't go.
If so, that's bold. It
Maybe you know how you like trying to suck it up like real quick because you trying to like get it back there instead of blowing it.
But we would have hurt. We would have hurt.
I'm just trying.
But I ain't alleged. Don't come. I'm not alleged. I don't know what it is. I'm just trying to see what y'all think what it is.
Yeah.
Because I ain't. This is speculation.
Speculations.
So I don't know.
Allegedly.
I don't know what this is. I just want y'all thoughts and opinion what this could possibly be. I ain't putting no nobody.
It doesn't. It's still hearsay, Your Honor. May we approach?
I'm going to ask you to turn now to 228.
Look at him.
His face.
His demeanor is just.
Your Honor, we're going to object on hearsay.
First line, Your Honor,
Okay.
is all I understand in Your Honor's ruling, but I think
You're gonna come forward.
I like got nothing better to do than just sit there
You know,
watch.
on the plane, I was so careful.
Objection. Non-responsive.
what if any communications did you have with Stephen Duders?
Objection. Hearsay.
What if any communication were you having with him following the Boston plane incident?
Objection. Hearsay. May we approach?
All right.
I thought I had effectively.
Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive. Objection. Hearsay, Your Honor.
What's in the email?
That calls for hearsay, Your Honor.
And then when he finished filming, the plan was to do
Objection,
the
Your
full
Honor.
detox.
Hearsay. And lack of foundation.
That's the way
I was
you word.
involved in the conversations
Please
with the doctors and with his sister.
Objection,
And
Your Honor.
nurse.
That's still hearsay.
All right, I'll sustain the objection.
That part is.
They put Johnny on a bunch of new medications, which they shared with me, told me about.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
He was taking about double the amount.
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, it's the way she's saying it, how she's responded. By it's like certain words, like you know what I'm saying. Paying attention, it's by like one or two words they told me, or they put him on new medication,
Hearsay.
and they. So she say they inform. Hearsay.
It's hearsay.
Cause we don't know what they inform. Like that's like the justice
It's
system
like
is so slick.
Yeah, it's like one or two little words can just.
But that's in
change
contrast
everything.
though, because in school I did take contract and legal issues, and I forgot what group. It's a popular rock group. My teacher, she was their lawyer, and she showed us their 360 contract, and it was like 2-3 pages of like full contract, right? And there was one line in the motherfucker, and it voided everything that you already read,
That's all it
and the
takes.
contract picked up right there.
That's all it takes.
And she said it's that slick where you can be reading 3 pages and they're saying everything. They'll put one line in that mug and they void out everything you already previously, and that's where the contract actually starts. And I said, bro, I ain't no way I could be a lawyer. Right there, my lawyer hopes and dreams that I possibly ever could have. I said, bro, this is just too much for me, bro, because it's wording.
Yeah, That's all. That's.
And I said, dang.
Hearsay.
Was this
No, I
your
saw,
observation?
I saw it.
Okay, overruled.
Thank you.
At one point in our conversations, I told him about how,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
we're on an island. I'm trying to take care of him, and he was hallucinating. And
Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive.
I hadn't said anything. I would tell him, Johnny,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Well, I think in the context, Your Honor, it's not offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted. Did you have communications with Mr. Depp about auditioning for another role in this time frame?
Objection, Your Honor. I'm going to object to the exhibit as hearsay.
Why she looking?
She grabbed that tissue too.
Why she back like that? Girl, she like she seen the ghost.
No, she in there for domestic something.
She have to be that dramatic.
She's an actress.
I don't see him anymore.
Well, you right.
I don't see him anymore. It wasn't him. It was black.
Why be making her facial expressions so? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I don't know, man. I still want to know what's in that napkin though.
Wait, she got the napkin from up there, right? It was a box of tissues up there.
It was just a box of tissue, but that didn't look like tissue napkin. That looked like more of a handkerchief.
Maybe she was trying to be cute and just do one nostril.
But
Or that was the only nostril that was running. Because you have one nostril run at a time.
Or that's the nostril, that's your favorite nostril. I don't know. I don't know how it go. That ain't my lifestyle.
Okay.
Oh
my goodness. I would hope not, because like you said, that's bold. But, no.
It's possible. It's possible.
People be doing some crazy things.
It's possible. Because they say she also. A lot of people is speculating that she hit a
she
hit the little flash.
I said, yeah.
If you bold enough to that, I don't know. You might be bold enough for this.
That's
too.
crazy. I would hope not.
She hit. I don't know if you had to take a bump or not. I don't know. I wasn't there. I'm speculating. Alleged. I don't know. I don't know if you had to or not. That ain't none of my business. But hey, if you do, you know what I'm saying, hit a little bump here and there, please don't do it on a witness stand. All the damn sniffing.
Well, it's sniffing because it's cold.
It's not cold.
It is
man.
cold in here.
You just said you was
I was hot then. Now I'm cold.
Oh man, hot flashes. Ooh, with that being said, y'all spend us up. Let us know. Y'all really gotta let us know y'all thoughts and opinions this time, man.
Do.
But as always, y'all know how it go. I do go by the name DJ Nikki Dits. We are. We are, y'all.
Ain't no time to kick it. Got a stack of flip for my foes. Dollar. Please tell me you can hear me. Don't turn your back and don't neglect me. Just let me know if you need me. Dollar. Let me watch out for my partners. Keep my money low.